Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Diwali is almost here, and we know that means cleaning. But today, I've got something special for you. Vastu tips on items you should remove for more positivity and prosperity. Stick around until the end for the most powerful tip to truly transform your space. First up, broken items. Whether it's that chair you keep meaning to fix or that cracked mug, broken things can block positive energy. Give your space room for new things by letting go of what's broken. Next, take a look at items you haven't used in ages and expired products lurking in your cupboards. These bring in stagnant energy. Clearing them out creates a refreshing vibe and a bit of extra storage. Stale decor or negative artwork can dampen the mood. Replace faded flowers, outdated decor, or gloomy images with bright, positive pieces that make you feel uplifted whenever you see them. Stagnant water, like what you might find in forgotten vases or dusty corners, can hold negative vibes. Keep your space feeling fresh by regularly changing water and clearing out any dust. Let me know in the comments if you found these helpful, and of course, share any personal tips for creating a positive home. Wishing you all a prosperous and joyful Diwali.